This video, I'm going to demonstrate how to reassemble the barrel, the air tube, back onto the main components of the Vulcan 22. First thing, you make sure the set screw here is not blocking the barrel from going in, because this set screw is going to sit on this divot here on the barrel to ensure proper location of the transport hole and the distance how far the barrel goes into this mag slot, so your mag could go in there, right, without blocking it, because it's gonna go slide here in and out. All right, let's go and want to pre-loop this. You know, make sure your spring is there. That's the only thing it would be loose and fall out. Alright, when you get ready to put the barrel inside this half shroud here, make sure the transport is facing down. Alright, kind of wiggle it in and out. And here you see your transport hole facing down. Gently rotate it left and right till it goes in. Alright, I think it's best to remove this so you actually see the little seat for that set screw. Alright, and rotate the barrel. And I see it right there. Put it back in. You want to lightly seat this to make sure it's pretty centered. You got to rotate the barrel left and right till it doesn't move. Left and right, rear forward, and gradually tighten it while you're doing this until it's snug, and back out. Then it's a little bit snug, because we're going to torque this barrel. I don't want that tight. All right. Next, the air tube. All right, this air tube been sitting for 12 hours, no leak. All right, make sure when you slide this in, sometimes you want to pre-lube this if you have a tight barrel clamps. All right, we're going to slide that in. When you're ready to go inside here, all right, make sure transfer hole is facing up, and there's a little divot here for the two set screws here. For the and we hear a little metal. All right, we're going to tighten down this screw here. It's better to use a ball Allen, so you just kind of pry this rod to the side. You know, screw it in. When it's almost filled bottom out, rotate the barrel to find dead center of this seat. All right, and tighten it down. Tighten down the other one. All right. Now we want to move this clamp far aft as possible, so this clamp here is buttered into this half shroud. All right, because you can move it. I'll show you here. It's hard to grab, but see, there's a gap there. You want to minimize that gap and have it metal. If it's not all the way buttered in, you just gotta tap it from the top end. Can't see in the video, but I'll push it really tight. Put all my weight on it till you know, there's metal there. If not, you gotta tap that baby in. Get a wood here. All right, pretty much bottom down. Then you tighten down one aft screw here. Then lightly unseat this This time when you torque this, it kind of wants to move the barrel aft a little bit. Alright, slightly seated, then continue torquing it. Just go back and forth. Alright, don't have to be really tight. You know, keep doing it till you don't feel it moving at all. Alright, that's it. Don't have to be really tight. Put the cover plate back on. Well, first, if I put that on, I'm going to test this out. Just cock it. Make sure it cocks all the way back in the lock position. And verify your mag slides in. Alright. Then, we'll leave it uncocked. Then we'll put the cover on. I got this electric drill. Has an auto shut off. Shuts off the proper torque I wanted it set. On. I wasn't aligned right. Alright, she's in. I just tightened down the shroud, make sure it's down there. That's it. On our next video, I'm going to cover how to remove the trigger block assembly and do some trigger adjustments, and what all screw, what they adjust. Okay? See you next video.